Good morning, children. Today, in this class, we will discuss about the workbook. That is a big family, small family. Okay. So, here comes the first question. Multiple choice questions. We will discuss it. Which member is not a part of a nuclear family here? So, the options are given here. Okay. Mother, father, children, grandparent. So, in these people, who is not a part of a nuclear family? In nuclear family, who is not present in these people? In nuclear family, parents will be there and their children will be there. But there will be no grandparents. Grandparents will not be there in the nuclear family. So, you have to tick it and write it here, option D. Okay. Next one. Which member is not a part of a joint family? Not a part. Means in joint family, in these options, who is not there? Okay. The first one is father, mother, uncle, grandfather. So, in joint family, who will not be there? In joint family, father is there, no? Mother will also be there. Grandfather will also be there. But the uncle, he is not a part of a joint family here. He will be there in the extended family, right? So, the option C here. So, write it here, C. Next one. A small family that consists of mother, father and their child or children is called a dash family. So, a family consisting of a mother, father and their children. It is called as a nuclear family here. Right, children? So, write it here, nuclear family. Okay. Next one. Mother, father, children and grandparents together make a dash family. So, a family consists of a mother, father means parents, children and grandparents. So, what that family we call it as a? We call it as a joint family. Right, children? Joint family. Write it here, joint family. Next one. Name the type of a family shown in this picture. See here. The children's along with the parents. Only children's and their parents are there. So, which type of family it is a? It is a nuclear family. Right, children? So, write it here, nuclear family. Next one. In which type of family do we find the cousins here? So, the cousins will be there in which type of family? In nuclear family, cousins are going to there? No. Next, in joint family, is there cousins? No. Then, they will be there in the extended family here. In extended family, uncle, auntie and cousins will be there here along with the parents, grandparents and their children. Right? So, this is about the first page and next we will move to the next question. That is a 7th question here. What is the question? Name the family members who are part of an extended family here. So, who will be there in the extended families? So, in extended families, there will be a first children's, right? Children's will be there now in extended families. Children's and their parents. Parents will be there in extended family now. So, parents and then grandparents. So, grandparents will also be there in the extended family. And uncles will also be there. Right? And aunts. Okay, and cousins, right? So, cousins will also be there in the extended family here. So, children's parents, grandparents, uncles, aunts and cousins are a part of a extended family here. Are part of extended family. Okay, children. Now see this one. True or false? So the size of all types of families is the same. Okay. Is it true or a false? We have to say. So how many types of families are there? Nuclear family, joint family, extended family. Is all the sizes of all the families are same? Is it same? No. It is a false. So there will be, the sizes will be different for the different families. In nuclear family there will be a 4 members. In a joint family there will be a 6 members. In extended family there will be more than 6 members will be there. So the size of the families will be different. They have given the wrong statement here. So write it here false. Next one. Grandparents are a part of all types of families. Is it grandparents will be there in the nuclear family, children? No. The grandparents are not there in the nuclear family. Right? So this sentence is a wrong. Write it here false. Next one. People in an extended family may do business together. Right? Is it right? No. People in the older days, people were used to live together, right? So in that time, your uncle and your aunt, they are going to work, right? So in the people in an extended family may do business together. It is a correct one. So you have to write it here true. Next one. Earlier, people used to live as extended families. Right, children? In the earlier days, the people were living in an extended family. All members will be there in the family, no? So, they used to live together, no? So, in ancient time, there will be a big families will be there. So, the people used to live as an extended families in the older days. Is it? It is true. Okay. Now, let us move to the next one. What happens when family members move out for their work or studies here? So, when the family members will be move out for the work and studies, what is going to happen? Right? So, what's going to happen here? The families become small in size when family members move out for the work and studies here. Right? The family members will be decreasing. If suppose you were example, you will be there, okay, along with you your cousins will be there in your family. Suppose if they want to work or if she want to go for studies, then they are going for the different place, no? Then what happens? Then there will be only you and your parents will be there in the family and others will be going outside, right? Then the part of your family will be decreased, right? So the size of the family is going to decrease here. Families become small in size when family members move out for their work or studies. Now the next one. Why are there families of different types? So why the members of the families will be different? Why there are different family, right? Nuclear family, joint family, extended family, right? There are 3 types of families. Why they are different? Because the number and types of family members are different for each family, right? So numbers of members will be different in each family. In nuclear family there will be a 4 members. In joint family there will be a 6 members. In extended family there will be a many members, right? So the number and types of family members are different for each family. So the family members, so the families will be different here. So we will write it down. The number and types of family members are different for each family. Okay, so there are families of different types. Now, during multiple choice question 14th one, during which meal are all the family members are not likely to be together? See here, during breakfast or during dinner or during lunch, at which time all members will not be together. ಸೊ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಯಾವಾಗ ಕೂಡಿರೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅವರು. ಸೊ ಯಾವ ಟೈಮ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಕೂಡಿರೋಕ್ಕಾಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಡ್ಯೂರಿಂಗ್ ವಿಚ್ ಮೀಲ್ ಆರ್ ಆಲ್ ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿ ಮೆಂಬರ್ಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಲೈಕ್ಲಿ ಟು ಬಿ ಟುಗೆದರ್. ಅಟ್ ವಾಟ್ ಟೈಮ್? ಸೊ ಡ್ಯೂರಿಂಗ್ ಬ್ರೇಕ್ಫಾಸ್ಟ್ ಆರ್ ಲಂಚ್ ಆರ್ ಟೀ ಆರ್ ಡಿನ್ನರ್. ಸೊ ವಿಚ್ ಒನ್? So the option is B here, lunch, right? At the lunch your parents may go for a work. You may also come for the school. For study you will come for the school, and for doing job your parents will go outside, right? The lunch will be at a different places here. The lunch is going to happen at a different places. But during breakfast or during tea or during dinner you will be staying together here. Right, children? Next one, 15th one. On which occasion are you not likely to meet your extended family members here? So, on which occasion? So, you are not going to meet your extended family members here. During birthdays, you will meet all members will be coming, right? All members of the family will be coming during birthdays, and during festival also all the family members will be there, and during weddings also all the family members you are going to meet. But at the lunch break at the school, right? At the lunch break you will not meet all the members of your family, right, children? So write it here, the option D, and mark it. Okay. Next one, what are the family members doing in the following pictures here? So what they are doing here, just observe this picture, children, what they are doing. And in the B, what they are doing here? So in the first picture, that is A, the family is they are celebrating a festival, no? So write it here, the family is celebrating a festival. Okay. Next one, B. What they are doing here? It is a nuclear family, no? What they are doing? So the family is going on a trip here. So write it here, the family is going on the trip. Right, children? Now we will move to the next question. Why can family members not be together the whole day? So why all the family members will not be together? Why they can't stay in the home? Why? Why they can't stay whole day in the home? Because some family members go out to work or study. So the family members are not together the whole day here. So some family members, it means in your family, if suppose uncle will be there, aunt will be there, and their children will be there, it means they are going to become cousins for you, and your parents will also be there, and you will also be there. But you can't stay whole day in the home, no, because you have to go for a school, and your parents have to go for the job, and your uncle and aunts, they should also go for a job here. So you can't spend whole day together, right? So just write the reason here. Some family members go out for a work or study. So the family members are not be together the whole day here. So this is what the 17th question answer. Now see here, in 18th question, find out some interesting stories about pets. With the help of your teachers or parents, draw a picture for the story you liked the most. Hint, they have given stories of pets helping the people in trouble, helping to do household work, helping old people and children, and so on. Just draw the picture. Okay, draw the picture which is showing some story. Like you can draw the pet saving a child, right? You can also draw the picture like that, and pet helping the in the kitchen. In sometimes the pet will also protect the home, and they will protect us from the thieves, right? So you can draw any picture here and send it to me. So this is what the homework for you, and also write these all question and answers here. Okay children, thank you.